Well, actually, we came to know through social media, and what we have noticed was another apartment in our building which was renovated by Enzo, which attracted our attention, and that was the key point for us, because it really sank into our mind and we fell in love with it. No, I thought that my wife and I both, we thought that we already found the right design, and once we met, we realized that we have found also the right people behind the whole thing. So there was no need for us to look elsewhere. My son also helped us because he has also did his work, and everything was positive. Well, challenges, any construction, any renovation work, it has its own challenges, especially when we as owner are right on the spot every day. So we see things that are happening, and because they're not in the best shape at that time, it gets us excited, and a lot of questions come up and a lot of challenges. But I think Enzo officers were kind enough to attend to all of them, and finally we got what we wanted. I'm standing in it. The kitchen is immaculate. Really, it's perhaps the most difficult part of the project, and it came out perfect. Without any doubt, for sure. It would be a pleasure.